In this lecture, we are going to discuss about hardness of engineering materials. Hardness is a mechanical property of engineering materials that measures their resistance to deformation, particularly when subjected to localized forces or indentation. In simpler terms, hardness quantifies how resistant a material is to being scratched, dented or worn when the force is applied to it. This property is essential in engineering and material science because it can provide valuable information about the sustainability of the material for a particular application and its ability to withstand wear and abrasion. There are various measures of hardness or scratch hardness, indentation hardness, and rebound hardness. Scratch hardness is nothing but it is the ability of the material to oppose the scratches to the outer surface of layer due to external force. Indentation hardness is the ability of material to oppose the dent due to punch of external hard or sharp objects. Rebound hardness or dynamic hardness. It is determined by the height of bounce of a diamond tipped hammer dropped from a fixed height on the material. The hardness of material is influenced by the factors such as its composition, microstructure, heat treatment, and crystalline structure. Materials with a high hardness are often associated with increased wear resistance and the ability to withstand abrasive forces. On the other hand, materials with lower hardness values may be more prone to scratching, denting, or wear. Hardness is a critical mechanical property that engineers and material scientists consider when selecting material for specific application. It plays a crucial role in determining a material's ability to withstand wear and abrasion and influences its overall performance and durability. Thank you.